First, add any photo. Choose the 1:1 format. Then click check. I click this and add Jesu's clips. Zoom it, then add another clip. Click the first clip, then keyframe, and add the effect stretch too. Change the axis, add 3 keyframes, then adjust the amount. Put the red line between the first and second keyframe, then copy my graph. Now, put the red line between the second and third keyframe, then copy my graph. Click check, then add effect spin. Now add again 3 keyframes, then adjust the bend on every keyframe. Copy my graph. Click check, then proceed to our next clip. Add keyframe, then add effects, stretch to. Change the axis, then add 4 keyframes. Copy my graph on ever between of the keyframe. Click check, then add spin effect. Add keyframe on the start and at the end of the clip. Adjust the bend on the start keyframe to -100. Copy my graph. Click check, then click transform, and adjust the motion blur to 100. Also adjust the motion blur of the first clip. Add one plain black clip. Click this, then create a group. Click this, then add clip. Keyframe transform scale to 100. Add again one clip. I adjust it to 1.5 seconds. Click the second clip, then mask. Keyframe, add effects, dust. Do some adjustments. Click Transform, then add to keyframes on the position. Do this. Copy my graph. Motion blur 100. Then proceed to R1 street clip. Keyframe transform position, then add to keyframes. Do this. Copy my graph. Motion blur 100. Click opacity, then add to keyframes. Copy my graph. Click and drag the second clip to the first clip to create new group. Keyframe transform scale. Add keyframe at the start and at the middle of the clip. Scale 200 at the first clip. Copy my graph. Motion blur 100. Add effects oscillate. Click magnitude, then add to keyframes. Add black clip. Add group, then add your clips. Duplicate it, then replace it by another photo. Keyframe add effects stretch to. Change axis, then add to keyframes. Copy my graph. Exchange this too. Add keyframe at effects, then add linear wipe. Angle 90, progress 50. Click transform, position then add to keyframe. Do this. Copy my graph. Duplicate the clip. Click keyframe, then click transform, and click linear wipe. Click transform, then do this. Motion blur 100. in both clips. Done. Thank you for watching.